Introducing the 2022 Mercedes-benz S-Class S350D 4-door auto in sleek grey. This luxurious saloon is powered by a 2.9-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission for a smooth ride, packed with comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and rear seat controls. This car takes luxury to the next level. Safety is paramount in the S350D with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance systems, keeping you and your passengers protected on the road. Stylish details like chrome accents and privacy glass add a touch of sophistication to this already impressive vehicle. Rest assured, this Mercedes has undergone a thorough health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit our website, michaelmoore.ie, for more information. Drive in style and comfort with the 2022 Mercedes-benz S-Class S350D 4-door auto.